here. Any questions on any topic?
Yes, how about Rav?
Yes, go ahead.
Okay, you were talking about giving a percentage of your panasah, and the way you said it, the way we do it now is when I get paid, my wife goes ahead and takes out the percentage right then and there, and then we pay bills and buy groceries and whatnot. Is that wrong to do it like that, or
Why would you think that it's wrong? Can you explain me why?
I'm just because of the way you said it. After you pay, you pay all your bills first, and then you buy your groceries or whatever, and then you give the percent of that whatever's left over. But we do it in reverse as soon as.
No. Okay. I apologize if I gave this impression. That's absolutely wrong. No, whatever you do, that's the proper way to do it. So for example, you get, let's like simple example, you check let's say $1,000. So technically, if you want to be very, very precise, so you have to include in this maaser all of the other bonuses that your jobs gives you. What does it mean? For example, they give you medical insurance, right? Like, let's say in my job, I had very good medical insurance, used to some years ago. So my medical insurance back then cost the company $2,000 per family a month, right? So I was paying $500 for the whole family, and the $1,500 was paid by the company, which is a lot. It's top insurance, very good. So basically they give me this salary. Let's say they pay me $1,000. Like to simple example, right? And plus they give me $1,500. So it's also money. Okay, even though I did not touch this money, but I benefit from this money. So I would say in this specific case in medical insurance, right? So it's actually if you would buy the same medical insurance, so yeah, you have to take 10% also from this 500 or 15%, whatever percent. Let's use 10% for simplicity, right? But if you would not pay buy this expensive medical insurance, for now I don't have this expense. I have a cheap medical insurance, let's say, right? So I would pay, let's say, only 500 for my medical insurance, 300 for whatever amount, right? 300 for medical insurance. So whatever they give me extra, okay, thank you very much. But basically, I would not buy it unless they force me to buy. This is the only medical insurance, so I would not buy it. So I would not pay. But if I would buy the same, so I would have to also calculate this as a bonus. And plus, if you have this IRA account or 401k account, or this retirement account, so it's also your money. So even though you don't see this money on your check, right? You don't, because they do a pre-tax. So if you have to also calculate this 10%. And plus, I remember we had this transportation expense also before. Like they started maybe 5 years ago, 6 years, I don't remember when they started, pre-tax. No, maybe 10 years ago they started, right? This pre-tax. So they take from your check. So on your bottom line net amount, you don't have this, but it's actually your money. They give you for transportation, for parking, for public transportation. So you also have to calculate. So you have to be very careful how you calculate this maaser, right? So to include everything, right? For example, government taxes, you're not obligated. So of course they take it, period. They see city taxes, state taxes, whatever they take from your check, you're not obligated to include. And plus all of the other money, for example, if you self-employed and you need your car, so you can write it off also from your expenses. I mean, but it has to be normal, not the IRS way, but normal. If you use I don't know, this car 80% for I don't know, not 80%, like I don't know, 60% for your business, 40% for your own. So you cannot write off from your maser the 100% of the car expense. You cannot. So you would buy, meaning that you would buy a car anyway for your son, for yourself to go shopping, to go here and there. You understand? So we have to be very careful how we calculate this maser. And first we separate maser, exactly as you said. I apologize if I gave you wrong impression, and thank you very much for bringing it up. Right? And then we separate. Then we pay our rent, all the other expenses. If we don't have money for other expenses after we separate this 10%, for whatever reason, that's a different story. That's a different conversation. But we're talking about normal. So person can survive separating like this 10%, let's say.